Good morning.
Good morning. Here we are.
It's bright and early today.
Yes, it is.
Just about 7 a.m. We're getting ready to leave the island. So they're picking us up in the buggy at 7:30, and then our boat leaves at 8:30. So we have about 45 minutes to get some breakfast.
Yep.
Super exciting because today we're going to Kuala Lumpur. It's going to be about a 5-hour flight. We'll probably see you again, maybe at breakfast, if not at the airport.
Bye-bye.
Last breakfast.
Last one.
And look, we got a front row seat today. So beautiful. We are checking out, so that is our speedboat. That right there. Look how beautiful that is.
Crazy. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, Tim. We're leaving the Maldives.
Yes, we are.
Where are we headed?
To another country, of course.
We are. This will be our third country. Headed to Malaysia.
Malaysia.
I
Kuala
wanted-
Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur. I wanted to do a quick wrap up of how much we spent in the Maldives. And we use specifically these 3 credit cards.
Yay.
So we have the MX Platinum card, which we used points to pay for our flights here. And then we used the Hilton. This is your
Hilton Honors card.
Hilton Honors card. This is the business card, I think. And it was the one that gave us a $60 per quarter discount. And then we really used this one, which is Tim's card, which is upside down, I think. That gave us points, but also gave us a $200 credit each 6 months. So I had prepaid for the speedboat, so I got the $200 credit off that, and then I used the other $200 for this 6 months to apply it towards our food credit. So how much did we spend? We spent
$437.
$437. They'll take off $200 off that, and that'll be $237. And that includes all the meals that we bought at the resort, as well as my t-shirt I bought and the bag I bought. So that's all that we spent in the Maldives, other than the $1,200 we spent for the nightly stays, because I had to buy the 240,000 credits. So it was $1,200 for that. And then we had the boat transfers, and I've received $260 off that price, and it was about $800. So 800 minus 200, 600, so $540. $540 for that. So we spent less than, I think, $2,000.
Okay.
All in, $2,000. The flight over was about $300 in taxes and fees. So all in all, our 6 nights here was less than $2,500.
Yay.
Yeah, so I think that's pretty good for the Maldives.
Yeah, great. Perfect.
Yeah, so I just wanted to give everybody an idea of how much we spent after the points, and what it really cost us. So hopefully you've watched the other videos and you know what experiences we had. It was a wonderful trip. And now we're off to Malaysia. More points.
Here we go.
Flight to Malaysia.
Yep.
Going to Kuala Lumpur. We're flying Malaysia here.
I think so, yeah.
The economy seats are really tight. Just so you know.
Just a little
There's
small.
not a lot of leg room. Not that I care because I'm so short. But your knees
Ladies and
touch.
gentlemen, boys and
See you
girls,
in Kuala Lumpur.
please stow your bags.
We made it to Kuala Lumpur.
We're at the airport. We're getting a grab. We got some Krispy Kreme. Head towards the resort.
$4 for 3 donuts at the airport. We're waiting to get our grab so we can get to the hotel. We'll see you there. It's already 9 o'clock at night here. Late. We are at 3506, and they upgraded us to a large balcony room.
Okay, here we are.
Bathroom right away. Shower right away. Oh, you can go through this way too. Oh, look at this. It's a nice big room. It's about $100 a night, or 3,500 points, I think.
Let's see if they will open this. Does it slide? It's locked. It might still be locked. See if they'll open it for us. But it's a balcony.
There's a balcony, a place to sit out there.
Yeah. I have to ask them to unlock it so we can go tomorrow.
Nice seating area. It is separated by glass, so you maybe don't get so much noise. Look, our room. We are only at this hotel for one night because it is a different Hyatt brand, and this makes our 60th night. So we will be globalist after this for when we go to the Park Hyatt in Siem Reap and in Kyoto. So I'm excited about that. But yeah, just one night here, and then we're moving to the Renaissance. So nice. Ooh, we got pastries. Look how pretty those are. And a nice little letter.